Akbaruddin Owaisi.
So sorry for intervening, sir. Sir, you have laid today's agenda, sir. Thursday, 19 December, 5th day of 4th session, sir. The first item is question and answers. Second is paper to be laid. Third are the government bills. And in the bill, sir, first bill is Telangana Bhubarti. The second is Telangana Municipalities. Third is the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. Fourth is the Telangana Panchayat. Then the fourth item is short discussion. The first short discussion is the outstanding liabilities of the state. Second is short discussion, Raitu Bharosa. Sir, I do understand, sir, that government has a right, and Honorable Speaker, you also have the right to take up any issue listed in the agenda. But there is a parliamentary practice, sir, where the floor leaders are taken into confidence and they are informed that this is the reason, we'll just jump in the order. Sir, I came and I asked and I was told that we will be taking up the bills. Sir, I'm sitting there preparing for the bills. And suddenly what we see is that you have taken up the short discussion, sir. Sir, it is so unfair, sir. You have to come for the rescue, sir. I'm not questioning your authority, sir. You can take anything, sir. But, sir, the floor leader should be taken into confidence. And, sir, I'm not against the discussion, sir. Sir, 3 times, sir, we have already had the discussion. 3 times the question has come. This is the 8th time that the House is discussing on the finances, sir, loans. And after 9, they say N numbers, sir. N numbers we are discussing on finances, loans, liabilities, interest. Sir, 7th and 8th time. Sir, I'm not against this, sir, but please take us into confidence, sir. We have to prepare, sir. And I was preparing for the bills and suddenly I see you. And sir, I want to also know, after this short discussion, are we going to continue with the second short discussion? So at least I'll go and prepare for that, sir. If we are doing that and not going for the bills, we need a clarification, sir, so that we can at least prepare ourselves, sir. I request you to please come for the rescue, sir. And once again, I'm saying I'm not questioning your authority at all, sir. You have all the rights to take, sir. But it is a parliamentary practice where all the floor leaders are being taken into, confidence कि भाई CM साहब को जाना है, minister साहब को कहीं जाना है, या कुछ meeting है, जरा पहले ये ले लेंगे. तो we can go and prepare, sir. At least इतना तो coordination करो, sir. Sir, in Parliament, whenever the Parliament is announced, they announce the Parliament will start on this day, it will end on this day. Still, we do not know when are we ending the session. Every time the BSc is conducted, sir, whatever decision has been taken in BSc, it is circulated. Up till now, we don't know. Only one sentence came, Speaker will decide. Yes, sir, your authority, you have the authority, you can decide. But the question is, when are we going to decide? If the government is unable to run the House, so I can understand and imagine how they are running the government, sir.
Sir, I fully agree with Akbaruddin Owaisi sir. Akbaruddin Owaisi గారి వ్యాఖ్యలతో పూర్తిగా ఏకీభవిస్తున్నాం అధ్యక్ష. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ అధ్యక్ష, బెల్లు కొట్టడానికి 10 నిమిషాల ముందు కూడా అసెంబ్లీ సెక్రటరీ గారి దగ్గరికి నేను వెళ్ళి ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకుంటారు సెక్రటరీ గారు అంటే తెలియదు సార్, స్పీకర్ గారు డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ ద వే నేను విప్లవ అడిగాను. యాక్చువల్గా ఎల్ఏ మినిస్టర్ గారి డ్యూటీ, విప్లవ డ్యూటీ విపక్ష సభ్యులకు ఎప్పటికప్పుడు వచ్చి చెప్తూ ఇవాళేం బిజినెస్ ఉంటుంది, రేపేం బిజినెస్ ఉంటుంది చెప్పాలి సార్. అసలు బెల్లు కొట్టే వరకు కూడా మీరు చైర్లో కూర్చొని ఇవాళ ఫైనాన్స్ మినిస్టర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనే వరకు కూడా మాకు తెలియదు. అది కూడా మీరు స్టేట్మెంట్ అని చెప్పినాక మా స్టేట్మెంట్ మా చేతిలో లేదు సార్ అని మీకు చెప్తే అప్పుడు స్టేట్మెంట్ కాపీ తెచ్చి మా చేతిలో పెడుతున్నారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద వే ఆఫ్ రన్నింగ్ ద హౌస్. 10 मिनट पहले सेक्रेटरी साहब को मैं भी पूछा, नहीं मालूम बोल रहा सेक्रेटरी साहब, ये क्या चल रहा है, ये असेंबली चलाने का तरीका है क्या? Is it the way of running the house? Speaker sir, me ruling here.
मैं 1 मिनट आपका भी बोलता हूँ, आपका भी नहीं, आपका भी बोलता हूँ साहब, अरे आपका भी बोलता हूँ, अरे सर ऑनरेबल स्पीकर्स कुन्ना డిస్క్రిషనరీ పవర్స్ కానీ మీకు సంబంధించిన అంశం మీరు ఎట్లా చేసిండ్రు, ఏ విధంగా చేసిండ్రు, ఎందుకు చేసిండ్రు, ఇదేం సార్, ఇదేంది వారు ఎన్నిసార్లు చేయలే, ఒక్కసారి స్పీకర్ గారు కూడా తెలియకుండా మాకు కూడా తెలియకుండా మేము అనేక సందర్భాల్లో కూర్చున్నాం సార్. నేను आपको नहीं बोल रहा हूं भाई, आपको नहीं बोल रहा हूं, मैं आपको बात करता हूं भाई. नहीं వారు చేసిండ్రు, నేనేం చెప్తానంటే సార్ ఈరోజు రాజగోపాల్ రెడ్డి గారు ఇప్పుడు సార్, ఇప్పుడు ఒక్కటి సార్,
अकबर भाई प्लीज अकबर
साहब करना हमारा फर्ज बनता है भाई, हमारा फर्ज बनता है, जो करना है गवर्नमेंट के तरफ से हमारा फर्ज बनता है, दैट इज ए legislative power that we are using sir, not beyond that what you are using, and we take the permission, and we are taking the permission of honorable speaker.
I'm not questioning that.
No Akbar bhai, no please, you no everybody sir, what sir, yeah we will sir,
Inform us. We will be there standing with you.
yeah definitely we will take honorable members conference, sure sir,
Courtesy.
sir that sir there may be sometime there may be sometimes a slight communication gap. I am not disputing it. Yes sir, here we have taken the priority keeping in view the issue which was not there, and they have given the privilege notice to honorable speaker. So that please, मैं अकबर भाई को बोल रहा हूँ, ये इम्पोर्टेंट है बोल के वो ले लिए भाई. आई नो बिजनेस में वो लगा, वो प्रायोरिटी लगा के लगाए. इफ द मेन अपोजिशन डजंट वांट दैट, ये यू नो वाले
अकबर साहब प्लीज no I understand. I just want to make an appeal.
Deputy Speaker.
Honorable Speaker, sir, I have never questioned your authority, sir. You have all the powers to take any decision. Sir, you just read out and you said that the permission was taken and you have given the permission. Sir, as per the rules, sir, and the practice of the House, before starting the agenda, the Speaker announces the permission sought and permission given. But I am sad, sir, the permission sought and permission given is being announced now. At least in the future, sir, let us not do it like this, sir. It is very important, sir. As per rule, procedures, you have all the authority, sir, and after you, the treasury benches have all the authority to take up any issue with your permission. That is absolutely right, sir. But I am just questioning the parliamentary practice which is being adopted for years and years, sir, decades, is that all the political party leaders and the members are taken into confidence, and an understanding is reached, and then issue is being taken. So let us stick to that parliamentary practice. This is what is my submission, sir.
Okay.